So what it showed is that the immune system impacts social behavior. Basically, peripheral immune cells, peripheral to the brain, are having effect on how the brain is working. And in this case, we demonstrated the effect on brain connectivity and on social behavior in mice.
So we found that these immune deficient mice had hyperconnectivity or hyperactive circuits in the brain, and we could use a compound to boost these inhibitory circuits and found that that rescued social behavior.
When we remove this one molecule that we discovered to be involved in social interaction, brain regions become hyperconnected. It's like little airports in small cities now become major hubs, and so there's a mess in the air. Same thing happens with the brain, so brain cannot function properly. And when we provide this molecule back, it calms down the system, and now the brain can function normally. And because these areas which are hyperconnected are involved, the area that is responsible for our social behavior, or for mouse social behavior, we can actually see behavioral effects on a mouse and the social behavior tasks.
Our study shows how having a healthy immune system is important for social behavior. And so mice deficient for key aspects of the immune system have social deficits. Mice are very social creatures. Usually when you put a normal mouse in with another mouse, they'll spend a lot of time investigating that mouse. Or in this case, when we have mice that lack specific immune cells or specific immune molecules, they don't spend as much time investigating other mice. Using this video tracking software, we can track the amount of time a mouse spends around a novel mouse versus an object.
So we're not inducing social deficits with any chemical or anything. It's just the lack of the immune system that makes mice asocial. And again, if we give them back immune system, then they show normal social behavior. So whether it relates to human disease or not, I don't know at this stage. But many neurological disorders, such as, for example, autism and schizophrenia, they do show social deficits, and they do show immune deficits. Are the two connected in humans? We don't know. Are the two connected in mice? Yes, they are. So what I think is really important to understand is that this paper is not about any particular neurological disease. It's not about neurodevelopment, and it's not about definitely not any cures. What it suggests is that there is a link between how our immune system functions and how our brain functions. And potentially in the future, we may be able to target the immune system for the benefit of the brain.